Hi everyone, it's Rob from Spectrum and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're unboxing and reviewing the brand new Spectrum Platinum Pro Mark II. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the Spectrum Aurora Platinum Pro Mark II. Follow us on social media, spectrum.aurora, and visit our website, spectrum-brand.com. If you need further assistance in setting up your Platinum Pro Mark II, click the link up above. Let's get into it. So what's included with the Platinum Pro Mark II? Firstly, we have the light stand. We've got the instruction manual. We have a thank you card. We have the 4 parts of the ring light. We have the double-sided mirror. We have the mobile bracket. We have the flexible gooseneck for the mobile bracket. We have a camera ball head mount. We have the flexible gooseneck for the ring light, which includes an adapter for the light stand. We have the remote control that controls the ring light. We have the mounting screws for the ring light. We have a power adapter. And lastly, we have the carry case. The first step in setting up the Platinum Pro 2 ring light is to set up the light stand. The light stand is a special compact light stand that's a lot smaller when collapsed. The first step is to loosen the bottom knob. This tightens the legs in its collapsed state. Now once that's loosened, you can use 2 hands to expand the legs and fold them in the opposite direction. Now you re-tighten that knob to secure the legs. Once that's done, you can loosen each of the extension parts of the stand and then re-screw to tighten. When setting this up on the floor, you can extend each of the 3 sections to a maximum of 1.8 meters. Another essential safety tip is to secure the light stand with a sandbag. These are sold separately and they provide more stability for your entire ring light setup. There are 2 types of sandbags. Firstly are empty sandbags, similar to these. These are also called saddlebags that you can pre-fill with your own weights, such as sand or other items. And there are also pre-filled sandbags such as this that range in weight of 5 kilos or 10 kilos. Now you can mount these across the legs like so, and this will provide further stability for your setup. The Platinum Pro 2 ring light is unique due to its size. It's 22 inches and one of the largest on the market. It comes in 4 separate pieces, so you need to construct the ring light step by step. Firstly, you have the bottom segment, and you can determine that because it has the controls as well as the light stand bracket. Firstly, loosen the knob so you can twist the stand bracket to its upright position. The next step is to grab the screws from the welcome pack. These are the mounting screws that connect each of the 4 segments together. Grab one of the segments and line it up to the left side of the bottom segment. What you'll notice is that they slot into place like so. Then there's a little screw fitting here that you can use to tighten the screw from the welcome pack to secure the 2 segments together. The screws have a handle, so you can actually turn this by hand. Otherwise, it also accepts a flathead screwdriver. From there, you just do this piece by piece. Now when you get to the last piece, you'll notice you need to secure it on both the left and the right side. Now once that's completed, you're now ready to mount the ring light to the light stand. To mount the ring light to the light stand, you need to ensure that you loosen the bottom screw here so it doesn't obstruct the way when mounting to the top of the light stand. The flexible gooseneck is an optional accessory that allows you to mount your ring light and position it in so many different ways. Firstly, to mount the gooseneck, it's the same process as the ring light. Loosen the screw so it doesn't obstruct the way. Then you can remove the ring light from the stand and you can mount the gooseneck to the stand and use the adapter that's provided. Screw that to the top of the gooseneck, then remounting the ring light to the gooseneck. When using the gooseneck, it's advisable to secure your light stand with the sandbags as previously mentioned. The great thing about the Platinum Pro 2 ring light is that it has a heavy duty tilt knob. What you'll notice when using the tilt knob is when you reposition the light, then go to tighten with the knob itself may hit the casing of the ring light. All you need to do to continue to tighten, because this will only tighten it to a certain point, is to pull out, reposition the knob, then continue the motion to tighten. It's the same when loosening the knob also, so when you loosen it, it may hit the case. What you'll notice is it's not fully loose. You pull out, reposition the knob, and then continue to loosen once more. The great thing about the Platinum Pro 2 ring light, similar to our Diamond Lux 3 ring light, is that it also supports battery operation, which means if you don't have power available, you can operate these with optional, sold separately, batteries. Firstly, you can remove the power adapter that's plugged in, and then you'll see the mounting plates for the batteries have covers, so press down on the red button and then slide off like so. Then grab your batteries and mount them one by one. You should hear a click when mounting the batteries. To power the ring light with battery operation, you flick the on switch to the right side. To power the Platinum Pro 2 ring light with the provided AC adapter, firstly, grab the AC adapter and plug into a wall outlet. Then grab the other side here and plug into the DC input of the ring light. To power the ring light, flick the on switch to the left. Another essential safety tip when using and operating a ring light is to use a power surge protector. This is an optional accessory, and you may already have a power surge protector board at home. If not, you can grab one similar to this. Now to use it, simply plug the AC adapter into the power surge protector and using this as some form of protection when operating and using your ring light. The Spectrum Aurora Platinum Pro 2 ring light features 640 SMD LEDs. These are split between the color temperature ranges of 3200 Kelvin and 5500 Kelvin. The LEDs can be dimmed from 0 to 100%, so that means you have full color temperature adjusting as well as full dimming control. The ring light itself features a USB port, so you can plug in a smart device and charge it while operating the ring light. The size of the ring light is approximately 56 centimeters or 22 inches for the outer diameter, and the inner diameter is 44 centimeters or approximately 17 inches. So that means it can support most tablets, smart devices, and cameras positioned at the center of the ring light. The ring light also supports a remote control, which is provided, so that means you can operate the ring light without having to use the dials or buttons on the ring light itself. The Platinum Pro 2 ring light features a CRI rating of 95+. It has a lux reading of 6,800 lux at 1 meter. The LEDs themselves feature a 120-degree beam angle. It also features an LCD display at the back of the ring light that shows the output and power reading, as well as the color temperature reading. And the light itself weighs 1.8 kilos. One of the included accessories is the mobile bracket. This comes in two pieces. One side is the flexible gooseneck for the mobile bracket, and the other is the bracket itself. The bracket features two mounting points, one on the bottom and one on the back here. You can mount on either of them. So in this case, we'll mount it on the bottom. You screw to tighten like so. Now you can loosen the bottom round screw here, so you can mount this to the bottom of the ring light. This will allow you to mount your phone in landscape, and if you wanted to position this in portrait, simply use the back mounting point and you can reposition the mobile bracket. The included camera ball head mount also can be mounted to the bottom of the ring light. Simply loosen the round knob to allow there enough clearance for the cold shoe bracket, then screw to tighten. Now what you'll notice is there's a screw thread at the top of the camera ball head mount. This is a 1/4 inch thread, and that supports most cameras, so you should have a mounting point at the bottom of your camera. Another included accessory is the double-sided mirror. To mount this, it's similar to the mobile bracket and camera ball head mount. Simply loosen the screw thread here to allow there enough clearance for you to mount the mirror and slide this into place, then screw to tighten. The mirror features a standard mirror on one side, and the other side features a 4x magnification. The great thing about the Platinum Pro 2 ring light is that it features 4 mounting points. So one at the bottom, 2 on either side, and then 1 at the top. The reason for these mounting points is so that you can mount the multiple accessories that are included. So we can mount a mobile bracket in the bottom position. You can mount the mirror in the top position. You can mount the camera ball head mount in the side position, just as an example. The great thing about the Platinum Pro 2 ring light is that it has an included remote control. This allows you to operate and also adjust the settings of the ring light wirelessly. To use the remote control, insert the provided AAA batteries, then turn on the ring light. What you'll notice is that the remote control doesn't work with the ring light immediately. You need to pair the remote control to the ring light. So the best thing to do is to firstly turn on the ring light. Within these 8 seconds of the ring light being turned on for the first time, you need to hold the on button. And you'll notice that the ring light will flash 3 times, and that means that the remote control has been successfully paired. Now you have 3 sets of buttons on the remote control. Firstly, the top set of buttons are for the power operation. So you can dim the ring light like so. You can hold this down. You can see the ring light is now dimming. And you can hold this down to increase the intensity also. The next are the color temperature adjusting. And lastly are the on and off switches. When selecting the off switch on the remote control, you'll notice that the ring light itself is still on, but the lights, the LEDs themselves, have turned off. So that means you can also switch this on and off, despite the ring light being powered still. A great optional accessory is the mini desk stand. This is perfect for tabletops such as this. To set this up, simply loosen the knob and press down on the center column to expand the legs out, then tighten the knob to secure. And similar to the larger light stand that's included with the ring light, you can mount your ring light directly to the desk stand. The mini desk stand is perfect for tabletop setups or if you have limited floor space. Another great optional accessory is the multi-device bracket. This bracket allows you to mount tablets as well as smartphone devices to the middle of your ring light. To mount this, simply grab the included camera ball head mount, like so, and screw to the bottom of the multi-device bracket. Then you can grab the cold shoe plate at the bottom of the camera ball head mount, loosen the knob, and then screw to tighten. The camera ball head mount will give you full maneuverability for your multi-device bracket. The great thing about the Platinum Pro 2 ring light is the interior size is quite large, and that allows you to mount larger sized tablets using this multi-device bracket. So that was just our quick unboxing and setup of the Spectrum Aurora Platinum Pro 2 ring light. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the setup of the Platinum Pro 2 ring light. Follow us on social media, spectrum.aurora, and visit our website, spectrum-brand.com.